Good morning, children. This is our English class. Today we are going to read Worksheet 4 English Roots book. Okay, Workbook. So this is page 13, Worksheet 4. A sparrow's call is called chirp. Okay. Match these creatures with their calls. Snake. So children, here sounds of some creatures given and the name of creatures you have to match. So sound of snake is hiss. Okay. This one. Bark, dog. Dog. Lion roar. Children, write this in your copy. Lion roar and crow caw. Okay, lion roar. So children, write this in your copy. Snake, hiss, dog, bark, लायन रोर क्रो को. तो देखो बच्चों, यहाँ पे कुछ क्रिएचर्स के नेम, कुछ एनिमल्स के नेम हैं और उनके साउंड को क्या बोला जाता है वो है. यहाँ पे आप लोग मैचिंग करेंगे तो बहुत ही देखने में ख़राब होगा, आप उसको समझ भी नहीं पाएंगे, इसलिए इसको आप अपनी कॉपी में लिख के कीजिए. ओके. नाउ हियर इज़ द पोएम. Let's read the poem. Mr. and Mrs. Spikky Sparrow. On a little piece of wood, Mr. Spikky Sparrow stood. Mrs. Sparrow sat close by, making of an insect pie for her little children 5 in the nest and all alive, singing with a cheerful smile to amuse them all the while. Twicky, wicky, wicky, wee, wicky, bicky, twicky, tee, spiky, biky, bee. So children, here is a poem about sparrows. Okay. Mr. Sparrow stood on a wood and Mrs. Sparrow was making an insect pie for their children. Number of children, number of little sparrow, 5. Okay. So now answer these questions. Name the characters in the poem. So the characters in the poem are Mr. Sparrow, Mr. Spikey Sparrow, Mrs. Sparrow, 5 children. Okay. Next, take the correct answer. Mr. Sparrow stood on a piece of wood. Okay. Number 2, piece of wood this is correct. Number B. How many children did the sparrows have? 4, 6, 5, 5. Okay. What was Mrs. Sparrow doing? Mrs. Sparrow was making an insect pie for their children. Okay. So this is the answer. I am repeating, children. Mrs. Sparrow was making an insect pie for their children.